Hello everyone, I'm Mandy. Today I'm walking outside and the weather is extremely cold, but I'm still very happy to introduce you an activator. Behind me, this is a larger activator from Komatsu. The model is 270. LC thing means the activator has a larger and more stable chassis. Its count weight is 27 tons and the baggage capacity is 1.2 cubic meters. The engine is powerful. The engine is the most important part of an activator. The power of the engine is 149 kilowatts, which is equivalent to 203 horsepower. Then we will take a look at the driver's cab. Finally, we will take a look at the overall situation of this activator. If you want to buy, please contact me. Bye-bye.